Microsoft Copilot Studio pricing is one of the most confusing topics. Is it per user based, per agent, or per tenant? In this video, I'll explain Copilot Studio licensing in simple language, so you know exactly what to buy. Before discussing Copilot Studio licensing and pricing options, let's define what Copilot Studio is. Copilot Studio is a platform to build, customize, and deploy AI agents to various channels. Copilot Studio offers several licensing options. Let's talk about this one by one. The first option is Microsoft 365 Copilot. It is a prepaid plan, that means you have to pay before use. Although primary purpose of Microsoft 365 Copilot is to provide Copilot capabilities in Office apps, but it also includes agent building capabilities for use within your organization. Copilot Studio, formerly known as Agent Builder, is an in-context experience in Microsoft 365 Copilot to build lightweight AI agents. So this is our Microsoft 365 Copilot environment, and we can see Copilot Studio Lite environment to build agents. It is designed for business users and small teams who need fast, simple agent building solution. You don't have to pay anything apart from Microsoft 365 Copilot license, which is $30 per user per month. Agents that you build can be published only to Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat, MS Teams, and SharePoint. We can build agents using Microsoft 365 Copilot or using Copilot Studio. So what is the difference in these two options? All capabilities are same except only one capability, which is the publishing to external channels, including websites, apps, or social platforms. Rest all features are same in Microsoft 365 Copilot and full Copilot Studio license. In Copilot Studio, we have pre-purchase plans and pay-as-you-go plans. We have total three options that we are going to discuss now. Before talking further on this, it is very important to talk about Copilot credits. Let's have a look on Copilot credits. Copilot credits are units that measure agent uses. Let's understand this by an example. So you can see that in different Copilot Studio scenarios, different kind of Copilot credit consumption is applied. Like if classic answer, only one Copilot credit, and for generative answers is 2 Copilot credits, and so on for different features. So these Copilot credits are debited from your Copilot credit pool, which you get by paying money to Microsoft in case of Copilot Studio full license. If you want to deep dive into Copilot Studio features, I have shared link in description. So you notice that number of Copilot credit consumed by an agent depend on the design of agent and how often customer interact with it and features they use. Total cost is calculated based on the sum of Copilot credit used by your organization by all the agents. Now let's talk about option 1 for full Copilot Studio license, which is the Copilot Studio license Copilot credit capacity pack. Copilot credit pack based on how many credits you think your organization will use each month. So pricing is $200 per pack per month, and billing is per tenant, and one capacity pack is 25,000 Copilot credits, and you have to pay money upfront. Please note that unused credits do not roll over the next month. After your pack ends, your business may be interrupted. It is highly recommended to purchase a pay-as-you-go plan on top of this, which I'll talk later on. A Copilot Studio user license is required for building and managing agents, which comes free of the cost. Now let's talk about option 2, Copilot Credit pre-purchase plan. It is another prepaid plan which is little different from previous plan. Copilot Credit pre-purchase plan offers organizations a 1-year pay upfront purchase option. CCU can be used for a year from plan purchase date. And what is CCU? It is the equal to 100 credits, which is equal to 1 USD. Let's see an example. You can see that multiple buying options are available. Higher quantity means you will receive higher discounts. It's up to you. You want to go for the option 1 or option 2 as per the consumption of the Copilot credit units. Billing configuration is per environment using Azure subscription. This option provides additional flexibility compared to option 1, which expire monthly, but this option is for 1 year. Option 1 and option 2 is prepaid. Now we'll talk about option number 3, which is postpaid, pay as you go option. Copilot Studio pay as you go option allow you to pay later on based on the actual number of Copilot credits consumed in billing month in your organization. So you don't have to pay any upfront cost. It provides higher scalability and uninterrupted business continuity. This is the reason even you go for option 1 and 2, it is recommended by Microsoft to also buy option 3 along with prepaid options to get uninterrupted business continuity. And you have to pay 1 USD for the 100 credits, which is equal to 1 CCU. The usage is billed at the end of billing month using an Azure subscription. So we have talked about various options for Copilot Studio licensing. Apart from this, Microsoft also provides a tool named Copilot Studio Agent Usage Estimator. This estimator provides a monthly Copilot credit estimate, one agent based on licensing, agent type, and features. It reflects how selections impact credit use, but this is not a final pricing calculator from Microsoft. It is just for the estimation. So we have talked about different kind of Copilot Studio licensing type, and I hope this video will help you in selecting the most cost-effective and efficient solution for your Copilot Studio environment. Thank you.